Well, hello, how y'all doing? We got an unboxing video we're going to do for you today. Let's see what we got here. That's the label. We don't need the label. We'll take the label off. We want to be very careful when cutting this open. We don't want to damage any contents. So we're going to use this straight edge blade here. That's good for opening boxes. So we can get underneath like this. See how it'll rub up against the product, but it won't cut it. You can save it and protect it. Always cut away from yourself so you don't cut yourself. Oh, I got a business card from the CEO. Check that out, Mr. Paul. Thank you, Mr. Paul. Appreciate you. So let's go over what we have here, folks. Let me, as you can see, it's packaged very nicely. Didn't move around in shipping. Everything is as they packed it. There's no damages. So I'm going to reposition the camera so we can go through each item as we unpack it. But I wanted y'all to see how neat and nice the packaging looks. So the first item we got out of the box, Cajun's Choice Louisiana Foods Cajun Shrimp Seasoning Mix. Everybody loves shrimp. That's going to make it taste real good. Oh yeah, got us a shirt. Definitely fits. Raging Cajun. They wrapped the glass bottle in some bubble wrap. That's awesome. It protects it in shipping. Oh, look at here. Oh, folks, y'all just don't know. Look at that. Raging Cajun, sweet and spicy jalapeno relish. How good that looks. Boy, you know we're going to think of something here. We're going to come up with a little recipe for this, and we're going to link it in this video at this point of the video when we put that video out using this relish. Look at this, some of the Raging Cajun sizzling steak rub. Boy, you know that's going to be good. Raging Cajun, the original Cajun seasoning. So we got to use this with our crawfish etouffee we're going to be cooking up a little bit later tonight. And we'll link that video as well with this Raging Cajun seasoning mix. Look at this, the Raging Cajun Raging Hot Seasoning Rub. Boy, you know we can put this on, huh? One of them butts. So here you go, Raging Cajun Chicken or Gator Rub. We need to get us some alligator meat. We're gonna make us an alligator meat with some of this rub on it. Look at here. Authentic seafood bisque. Look at here. Authentic red beans and rice. Look at that authentic rice dressing. Woo, boy, look. Some gumbo, y'all. Oh, yeah. Everybody loves gumbo. So do you know where gumbo came from? Where it originated at? Gumbo stands for okra, and it comes from Africa. That's where the Africans came to New Orleans, amongst with the other settlers. They brought some vegetables that they grew there, and they also brought some of their recipes, and gumbo's one of them. And look at here, shrimp and grits. Anybody know where shrimp and grits originated from? Folks, as you can see, the product's in great shape. It's packed well in the box, was sealed. It arrived within days. Look, those folks at Acadiana Kitchens do a great job to make sure their product ships out in a timely manner, gets to you without damage, so you can enjoy their food with your family. We want to wish everyone at Acadiana Kitchens a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And Bella, you want to say hello, Bella? Say hello, Bella. Good girl.